Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. Students Union Bank of India Credit Officer 2025 notification is out and वही हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. That is what we are going to discuss today. डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, पूरा एग्जाम पैटर्न, सिलेबस, एलिजिबिलिटी सब कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट. सो फ्रॉम 30th of April till 20th of May you can apply. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. 20 मई तक अब आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. एग्जाम डेट मेंशन अभी नहीं है, राइट. देर आर 250 वैकेंसीज एंड इफ योर एज इज बिटवीन 22 to 30 देन यू आर एलिजिबल. एज कैलकुलेट करने का कट ऑफ डेट इज 1st of April 2025. सो मैक्सिमम एज एज ऑन 1st of April 2025 कैन बी 30 years. आपका 1st of April से जो है जो बर्थडे बाद में होना चाहिए. अगर उससे पहले आप 30 के हो चुके हो देन यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल. रिलैक्सेशन इज अवेलेबल टू द SC, ST, OBC, PWBD कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट्स. सो जिसके पास जो भी एज रिलैक्सेशन का सर्टिफिकेट है तो वो उसको प्लीज़ यूज़ करे, राइट. So qualification required graduation plus master's degree, right? And if you are a CA, CWA or a CS, अगर आपने ये professional degrees ले रखी हैं then you are eligible, right? Only graduation अगर आपने करी है then you are not eligible. So graduation plus CA, CWA और CS अगर आपने ये नहीं करा then full-time regular MBA. So it is mentioned full-time. So if you have done part-time MBA or distance learning का MBA then you are not eligible. So MBA, MMS, PG, DBM, PG, DM with specialization in finance. Finance में specialization ज़रूरी है. अगर dual specialization है वो भी acceptable है. If there is major minor specialization then major specialization should be finance. ठीक है. 60% marks are required in aggregate for general category and 55% for SC, ST, OBC and PWBD category candidates. ठीक है. So desirable है work experience but it is not a mandatory, right? So there is a probation period of 2 years and you need to sign a bond of 2,50,000 rupees plus taxes. So अगर आप 3 साल से पहले जॉब छोड़ देते हो then you need to pay the bond amount, right? So there is a service indemnity bond of 2,50,000 rupees and 3 years of service you need to serve. So in the selection process, there is GED, online exam followed by GED and then PI. So this is the exam pattern. Exam pattern में quantitative aptitude है, reasoning है, English है. अब यही देखिए English है. उसके बाद professional knowledge है. 150 minutes का exam है. 75 minute का part 1, 75 minutes का part 2 है. So 25 marks each for quant, reasoning and then English. 75 questions जो हैं professional knowledge में, इसके अकेले के 150 marks हैं, right? So out of 225, 150 marks are allotted to professional knowledge and 25 each to quant, reasoning and English. So 75 minutes are allotted to quant, reasoning and English and 75 minutes are allotted to professional knowledge. So there is a negative marking of 1/4, right? So there is a GD. GD would be of 50 marks and then there will be an interview PI of 50 marks. You need 50% marks in both GD and PI, right? So there is a quantitative aptitude syllabus started with the data interpretation. अब सबसे पहले data interpretation करोगे. Data sufficiency, number series, time, speed and distance, time and work, simple and compound interest, averages, ratios and proportion, averages, mixtures and allegation, types and systems, problems based on trains, percentages, partnership, profit and loss, algebra, quadratic equation, ये सारे topics आप करोगे. Followed by the reasoning ability. Reasoning ability में puzzles हैं, setting arrangement है, inequalities, syllogism, machine input output, direction sense test, problems based on ages, data sufficiency. यहाँ पे inequalities शायद लिखा नहीं है but inequalities are very important as well. Coded inequalities, data sufficiency, statement and conclusion, statement and arguments, statements and assumptions. In the English language, para jumbles are there. Most important the reading comprehension, सबसे ज़्यादा पेपर उसी में से आता है. Reading comprehension में से ही आपको vocabulary based questions होंगे, error spotting and close test. In the professional knowledge, we have divided the professional knowledge into parts. You start with the overview of credit, the basic principles of lending, types of borrowers, credit delivery, credit appraisal and credit rating. followed by analysis of financial statement, जिसमें ratio analysis is the most important point, right? Ratio analysis, this is the most important part. Cash flow statement, fund flow statement, basics of financial statement, इसमें depreciation भी इसी का part है. Project appraisal, working capital management, and committees related with working capital, right? There are various committees related to working capital. We are going to cover that. Indian financial system, regulatory bodies in India, money market, capital market instruments, time value of money, basics of derivatives, leverages, and capital budgeting. Capital budgeting में भी हम detail में जाएंगे, IRR, NPV, etc. Then export finance है, priority sector lending, which is an RBI guideline, non-fund based credit facilities, government sponsored schemes हैं. There are a lot of government sponsored schemes we are going to cover. Especially for the MSME, we are going to cover entrepreneurship, MSME, banking, insurance, all that we are going to cover. Retail loans are there. Then documentation में stamp duty वाला chapter है, registration, limitation law है, we are going to cover. IRAC norm, which is basically RBI's master circular, we are going to cover that. Types of charges is there, management of impaired assets, IBC and SARFAISI Act, we are going to cover that in detail. So RBI circulars पढ़े हैं आप पिछले एक साल के, last 1 year of RBI circulars, Union Budget. Coinage Act is very important here. Companies Act, Contract Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Banking and RBI Act. Companies Act, you don't need to go that much in depth because it is very wide, बहुत wide है, इतना ज़्यादा deep में मत जाएं. Coinage Act is sufficient. So Union Bank of India Credit Officer course, we have started it on BankExamsToday.com, where you are going to get all the video classes, notes, quizzes and the test series for the entire syllabus that we have discussed. Link to join the course is available in the description. So we are going to focus on the professional knowledge from the day one. This is our WhatsApp number where you can ask your doubts and we are going to answer your doubts. And that's, I guess, all for today, students. List of our successful students in the past, all these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams. And I'm really, really happy for them. And you can be one of them in the future. आप भी इनमें से एक हो सकते हो, for sure. If there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your doubt and I am going to answer all your doubts. कुछ भी doubt है आपके mind में, please ask your doubts and we are going to answer your doubts. And that's, I guess, all for today. Write us a review on Google Play if possible. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. कोई भी doubt है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. My WhatsApp number is already given. Again, let me just write it down, 9067201000. Again, my name is Ramandeep Singh. Raman is my name. You can WhatsApp me, call me, and I'm going to answer your doubts. And that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.